Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On piano. We'll start by identifying the main theme's opening notes, which are E, 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 C, E, G. Begin by practicing this iconic first phrase slowly with your right hand. Focus on a comfortable finger position to build muscle memory and accuracy. This foundational step is crucial for mastering the entire piece. Take your time and ensure each note is clear and precise before moving on. Now, let's introduce the left hand to add depth to your playing. You'll typically use simple chords like C major and G major to accompany the right hand melody. Focus on coordinating both hands, ensuring the left hand provides a steady rhythmic foundation. Start at a slow, manageable tempo, gradually increasing your speed as your comfort and accuracy improve. This two-hand approach brings the music to life. To truly bring the Super Mario Bros. Theme to life, incorporate dynamics and expression. Vary your touch, playing some sections louder and others softer, to create engaging contrast. Use staccato for those short, detached notes and legato for smooth, connected phrases. Pay close attention to the original game's playful and adventurous feel. This attention to detail will make your performance much more engaging and authentic. Consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Break the theme into smaller, manageable sections, mastering each part before combining them. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to reinforce your learning and build proficiency. Listen to the original Super Mario Bros. Theme frequently to internalize its iconic rhythm and phrasing. With dedication, you'll soon be able to perform the entire piece confidently and enjoyably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.